Hey everybody, I'm Amy.
I'm Dan.
We're the Hustle Couple coming at you today with a walkthrough of Vendoo.
That's right. How's everybody doing?
Hi!
You guys that have seen our videos before know we use and talk about Vendoo quite a bit, but there are hopefully people watching that have absolutely no idea what we're talking about or what Vendoo is or who we are.
We're about to change your life.
That's a bold statement.
I think we are, if you're a reseller. Vendoo is a Chrome extension and an app that you can use to run your reselling business. It's created for resellers by actual resellers.
That's right. So
it's amazing.
If you've never seen it or have any idea what we're talking about, we use it to literally run our reselling business.
It's the hub.
It is the hub.
Let's show them.
That's a great way to put it. I'm going to show you guys what the screen looks like. When you first log in, you get shown your inventory. And this is where we start all of our listings. And as you can see, they currently support all of these marketplaces. There's actually more marketplaces they support. These are just the ones we have connected currently.
Vendoo started as a cross-listing service, and we use it for cross-listing every single day. These are drafts right here.
Yep.
As you can see below, we house everything in Vendoo. So when we take pictures, we take it and we make generic drafts like this that have all of our pictures. You can take your pictures on your phone, or you can take your pictures and upload them on your computer, which is what we do.
Yep.
So if you want to click on one of those and show them the Vendoo form, this is the main form of Vendoo. Every listing starts here. And then on the left-hand side, you can see all of the marketplaces that Vendoo supports: eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, Grail, Depop, Facebook, Shopify, Vestiaire. Can you go down more on that?
I'm trying.
Oh, you have to click it, I think. There it goes. And Whatnot is in beta. That is crazy. So many people have shifted to Whatnot, and now you can keep track of your analytics because you can put your sales from Whatnot straight into Vendoo.
You really can. It's great.
You can start listing on any platform that you want, or you can do what we do and start listing directly in Vendoo and then branch it out from there. It's much faster for us.
For sure. And that's the way we recommend. That's the workflow that we figured out that works best for us. But the real reason you're here today is you're here to learn about the newest feature of Vendoo. We're really excited to talk about it. It is the bulk edit feature.
We asked for this, and then Vendoo made it happen.
They delivered. Yeah.
There's new updates like every single month. If you can think of it and you ask them to make it happen, they make it happen. Mm-hmm. We wanted bulk editing for something that happened exactly for the scenario that's happening right now.
Right.
The eBay seller update came out today.
Yes, it sure did.
And the fees are going up.
But not only are the fees, you had to bring up the fees. Okay, that's important. The fees are going up. And there's something that we're going to be able to do real easily with the bulk edit feature to help offset that. But also, used clothing item condition is being changed on eBay. Okay, are you ready? They are introducing pre-owned excellent, pre-owned good, and pre-owned fair. And I read through the announcement today. Everything that is pre-owned condition will automatically, this is happening soon. February 4th.
I know.
Everything that is pre-owned condition will automatically change to pre-owned good.
Okay, so you don't have to do anything if you don't want to change that status quo.
Right.
Okay. But that's not pre-owned great.
Right. A lot of the stuff that we sell and list is pre-owned excellent.
Right?
Okay. So we're going to use the bulk edit feature to fix all that.
Okay, if you're not a seasoned eBay user, Vendoo is the perfect gateway into eBay. It makes it accessible because you don't have to like fumble with all the eBay's a little clunky. Vendoo's sexy. Vendoo's got the sexy appeal going on, and it looks like you can click on it and you know what you're doing. And some of you that are eBay are going to say, "Hey, I can just bulk edit in eBay." You can.
You can.
However, with the bulk edit feature that we're about to show you with Vendoo, you can also, this is the best part, you can bulk edit multiple parameters, but then you can delist and relist in the same step. So you can have fresh listings.
Wait, what?
Yes, I did it. So you can edit and then it automatically delists and relists so that, you know how we say relisting helps us in our business because people buy stuff when it's fresh?
I'm still...
So when you're like, oh man, I have to edit all my eBay listings, you're like, no, oh man, I get to edit all my eBay listings and delist and relist them. I wouldn't do them all in one day. I'm just going to tell you that.
Okay.
We do 240 things a day. That's what we do.
Yeah.
So that the platforms are happy.
All right, you want to show them?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right,
we're not going to do 240.
No. All right, I'm going to bring the Vendoo form back up on the screen. We're going to go back to our inventory, which is the starting point. Here on the left side, this is your navigation, right? So you can go to your inventory here. You can go click new item here or up here. There's 2 places. You can import listings. We haven't mentioned that yet. So if you're already a established reseller and you're like, it's too late for me, I don't want to start over, you can import all of your listings from whichever marketplace you sell on and then go nuts and start cross-listing.
Just pick one though.
So, yeah, just pick import only from one.
Yeah.
Good advice. You can send offers now. I'm going to show you guys this. This is amazing.
It's automatic, you guys.
You have automatic offers now. Okay. So the way this works.
It got us a Mercari sale. I'm convinced.
It absolutely did. Yeah. I have it set to send offers automatically for Depop, eBay, and Mercari currently.
Uh-huh.
And I have all my parameters here. I'll show you guys. I have them all set the same. These features are so cool. Look at this. You can base the offer price on the marketplace price or your Vendoo price because sometimes they're not the same.
Yeah, if you run a sale or you drop prices for closet clear out.
Exactly.
Or yeah, okay.
Yep. If you want to exclude stuff that's over a certain dollar amount, you can do that.
Right.
You can exclude new with tags items if you want. You can exclude one specific item if you want to.
It's a dream.
It is. It's amazing. Yes. And it definitely got us that sale. And then you have the analytics right here, which is, in our opinion,
the best part of
the chef's kiss of Vendoo. This is how we did today. We made almost $200 in profit today.
Come on, for a Thursday, that's not bad.
Right. And once this populates over here, give it just a second. That was on 5 things. I got 12 items listed.
Look at the ASP.
Yeah. Nice, right?
And we do this every day, but if you don't bookkeep every day, you can do it weekly or monthly. You just put in all your numbers. If you have a spreadsheet, you can just put them into Vendoo easily. We keep track of it daily. It helps us so much.
And if you're one of those data people that likes to nerd out on your business, like take a look at all this information that's available. Okay.
Yeah, show them the year because that shows more. You know, if you're like, how did I do last year? You can do the custom field.
Oh, man. Okay.
And we can look at last year's. I'm just showing you like the kind of data you get. And I'm not a spreadsheet person, so this is much more attractive to me to see graphs like this. And then I can look in one glance and be like, this is how my business is doing. These are the brands and type of things that are selling for me. Man, we did way better in Jan, huh?
Yeah, January was still that leftover residual momentum from 2023 where we were crushing the resale game.
Yeah, we're coming back, y'all. We're coming back. Okay, so our top selling category obviously is clothing, shoes. But like, look, women's tops, women's pants, women's dresses. This is not surprising, but it is good to see. Chico's.
Look at that. Chico's running away with it for 2024. Man. Okay. All right.
And then it shows you your average sale by marketplace. So it tells you if it's worth kind of cross-listing.
Average sale price by marketplace, yeah.
Look at that grail.
Look at Depop coming in hot.
That's crazy.
I mean, we probably only sold like 1 or 2 things.
Yeah. It's
on those marketplaces, so it's skewed a little bit.
But it's interesting to see for sure.
Yeah.
And it gives you the health of your business so quickly. We do use the data we're given from the platforms for tax purposes. I must say that.
Yeah.
That's more, the analytics on Vendoo is the day-to-day for us to see how we're doing and to know what to do more of and less of.
Okay, but are you ready now?
This is the best part.
The real reason we're here.
Yeah.
Okay. The real reason we're here is this awesome purple button in the top right-hand corner that says bulk actions. Okay.
So good.
Are you ready? Look at all these bulk actions that are available. You can bulk delist and relist. You can bulk edit your Vendoo labels, which is a whole nother thing. Amy could make a whole video talking about how much she loves Vendoo labels.
Let me know in the comments if you want that, because I'm actually using Vendoo labels for a new venture in 2025. And I would love to share it with you.
Okay. Bulk copy items. You can bulk delete for stuff that gets stale or you're clearing out old stuff. You can bulk list even. Okay. Incredible. Bulk delist. You can mark not as listed. And then right here, bulk edit. This is our new feature that we're talking about today. So I'm going to go into select bulk edit.
Go to actives.
And yes, I'm going to select my actives.
And then you want to select a certain amount per page. So right now we're on like way too many. I think.
I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom and I had to change.
Oh no, we're at 30.
We're at 30. 30 items per. This is where you change how many items are on a page. And if you want to do up to 240, you select 240 here. But we're going to leave it at 30 just for the purposes of this video.
You guys, when you can sort, when you go to like how you sort on the right-hand side here, sort by stale list. That means the items that haven't been delisted or relisted. It's like not just the oldest, because on eBay, it's just like the oldest.
Right.
Vendoo is made by resellers. So it's like...
We got a bunch of junk in here.
Yeah, we like clear out the junk. You could bulk delete it.
I could, yeah.
But sorting by stale list is just so amazing. It's like you want eBay to do that or Poshmark, but it can't because it doesn't know. Since we have a hub in Vendoo, it knows when we created the listing and when we've modified it.
Yeah. Okay.
And so if it's stale, it's like, hey, girl, you ain't touched this in a while.
You should probably update this.
I love it.
Hey. Okay. So we're going to talk about bulk editing, right? So we're going to all in the current page. We're going to select that right there, and it's going to...
These are all new, though.
Yeah, but we're going to just... This is just to demonstrate how
Yeah, but
works.
I want to... No, I want to do ones...
You want to do
Yeah, so
stales?
it like... Yeah, so maybe we can sell something.
All right.
Yeah, go to like
all right.
We go to like page.
We'll go to
5
stale
or something. Go to page.
Because we're on 30 per page, so we need to go.
Yeah, we got some
page,
junk
like,
in our trunk. You know what I'm saying, guys?
At least page 6 or 7. We got some earrings.
Yeah, go to the next one. Look at that Chico's bodysuit. That's cute.
That's cute.
Little jumpsuit.
Okay, we're going to use this page.
Perfect. Yeah, I love it.
All right, we're going to select all on this current page, and we're going to go to bulk edit. Now, I mean, what marketplace do you want to make these edits on?
Wow.
You can do it on
By
all
marketplace.
of them. Isn't that amazing? We're just going to do eBay today for the purposes of...
No. Okay, so it goes faster.
Yeah.
See, I'm always like efficient. Like, let's do all of
just
them.
Click everything. This is really cool too. Do you want to update the Vendoo form with your changes?
So it has the new price. If you change a price or something like that. Okay.
We're going to click yes.
Yes, we
and
do.
We're going to confirm. And then it's going to load all of your items into this awesome bulk editing screen.
Okay.
It says right here, you're editing 30 items on Vendoo and eBay. It tells you what you're doing so you don't forget.
Okay.
That's really cool.
Now what?
So we're going to
edit table.
We're going to edit
columns.
the listing price of everything because, right?
Yeah, because eBay's raising their fees. So let's just add $1 to everything.
Right.
Why not?
So, I mean, yeah, if you wanted to compensate for eBay's listing fees going up, we want to change the
You just
price.
click on
you
it.
Just click on what you want to change, right? Oh, look at this. We're going to increase the price by...
Can you do $1?
You can do a dollar amount. Yeah.
I mean, like, I just think that's so cool that you could just do like $1 across the board.
Right. $1 US.
And
then apply to all items, apply. It's
what?
Even there's shortcuts even in the bulk editing
Okay, wait.
feature.
So then we're gonna do save. This
save
is what I was
and relist.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can save only, but if you save and relist, it just
Ready?
one click.
One click. By saving, we will update the marketplace's form you chose to edit.
Okay.
Next.
It's just being like, hey girl, you ready?
30 out of 30 items. Delisting and relisting. Go.
Only on one platform, but if it does multiple platforms, if that's what you wanted, it will just go do 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 do.
Yep, it would do every platform that your item is listed on that you have selected.
Okay, go back to us for a second. And
so
then
this is going to take a little bit while it's running, but we'll come back and show you the progress.
So, y'all, when we don't list on the weekends, because we try to have a normal, well, we go thrifting and stuff like that, but we're not in the workspace on the weekends. On the weekend nights when we're Netflix and chilling, we click 200 and what is it, 40?
Yes.
240 items. We delist and relist them while we're sitting there watching TV.
Mm-hmm.
It takes one click.
Yes.
And that's it. We just leave the laptop there. We don't even have to babysit it. At first, I babysat it. Okay. I was nervous. I was like, okay. And I watched it, you know. And sometimes if we're relisting on 5 platforms, because some of our listings are on 5 different platforms, it'll take an hour or two. It really will.
It does take some time.
It goes,
But it's like the Ronco for me. You just set it and forget it.
But while we're watching TV, that was a good one. But it's kind of like an old man joke now.
I don't care. I'm going to own it.
What I'm trying to tell you is if you get Vendoo for nothing else than your weekends free, we have made so many sales over the weekends of old inventory because just from clicking that button and letting it go while we're watching Netflix.
Yep.
I mean.
Okay,
let's check in. Let's see how many
we've done. We're going to check back in. Let's see how we're doing here. Progress. We're at 12 out of 30. And then if you click this little down caret right here, it'll give you the details and you can see exactly which ones have already completed. And you see there's an error here. You must accept the terms and conditions. That'll happen sometimes. But it's still chugging its way through.
Yeah, and then at the end, it's like, try to fix errors. There's like it walks you through it. It's super simple.
Yeah, once it's finished, and we'll come back and show you that, it'll ask you if you want to try the ones with errors again.
And normally if we do 240, there'll be like 8 errors. A lot of them will be our error. Mm-hmm. And then that's the other thing. You can fix a listing that you didn't know was messed up.
Right.
It tells you.
Yeah, it's like we couldn't find this URL. And you're like, oh, man, I have a broken link from somehow, which happens.
Or this size isn't supported. And like, you know how the platforms will change their sizes, but you've made the thing a million years ago?
Yep.
You go in and you fix it, and then you sell it. That's what's been happening.
That absolutely has been happening.
We're like, why hasn't this sold? But we didn't know that anything was wrong. And then Vendoo alerts you that something's wrong. You go and fix it, and it sells right away. I mean, we just started doing this. This is 2025 in January.
Yep.
This feature has been available in different variations for a while. But like I said, I was scared. I'm here to tell you that it's so easy.
It is so easy. Like I'm using Vendoo more and more because I'm running more of the reselling business lately and just using it and interacting with it more. It's awesome.
It's so good.
It's so good. There are so many features where I'm just like, man, this is so easy.
You're like, why didn't I think of that?
Or why haven't I been using this more sooner? Yeah.
More sooner.
More better. All of the things.
All right. We're almost there. We're almost there.
We're going to check 26 of 30.
This was so fast. And we don't even have great internet, okay? I'm not even going to lie to you.
Yeah, out here, it's a little sketch.
We're in our garage. It's not attached to our house. It is sketch out here, and look how fast it's going.
Yeah.
If you have, like, real internet, high speed, you'll be fine. This is, I mean, for 240, when it's in our house, it goes pretty fast.
Yeah. All right, we're about to finish here, and it's going to see how many items have errors. 30 of 30 complete. Okay, some errors found. So
let's look at those errors.
Right here.
I always click retry items with errors.
So it's just that one, I believe. There's 2. Like terms and conditions.
So sometimes that goes away if I try it again.
Yes. So we're going to retry the items with errors.
You just click the button. Set it and forget it. Now it's in my head. Is it fixing them?
I believe it fixed them.
Well, you didn't scroll up.
Well,
it fixed it.
It fixed it. We got 30 green check marks.
Y'all, that was so stinking fast and easy.
Incredible.
If you have errors where you need to change the listing, just a little hot tip. I right click, open in that window where you saw the little green check marks. I right click on the link for the listing, and then I open a new window in a new tab.
Yeah.
And then I have all the tabs of all the ones. And so then I can go to the Vendoo form. I can delist it manually. I can relist it. I can check eBay and make sure. And I still have that list preserved. And
that's so good.
Now that we've relisted and delisted all of our old stuff, I'm talking like 4 and 5 years old, we have less errors than ever because that old stuff had a lot of errors because we didn't know what we were doing.
We had no idea. We were baby resellers back then.
And so now that we fixed it, errors are very rare. And sometimes it's just the communication with eBay and our bad internet.
Yeah.
I think that's what happens. It doesn't get to that step of clicking the yes, I accept or whatever. And so we just click that one button and it works.
It works.
Very rarely are we actually going in and correcting listings anymore.
Yeah.
And once you get accustomed to Vendoo, the same experience will happen to you. You'll have to correct more at the beginning. So maybe you do 60 or 90 instead of 240 at a time. So you're not like inundated with errors. But that's only because you are a baby reseller too. We all been there.
Everybody starts as a baby reseller. It's fine.
So if you're a baby reseller or an experienced reseller, we think that Vendoo can help you, and that's the only reason why we're blabbing about it.
That's exactly right. If you are ready to try it, there's a link down in the description of this video. You click on that link. It's got a referral code. Click on the link in the description of this video down below. Use our referral code and you will save 25% on your first month's subscription, and you get 2 months free if you sign up for a yearly plan. Are you ready? But wait, there's more. Today only. Today is the last day. For those people who like to wait until the very last day, this is it.
The 31st.
The 31st. Today. Yes. Use the code THRIVEIN25 and your savings jump from 25% to 40% for your first month.
Okay. But you got to click our link.
You have to click our link down below. There is a subscription plan available for every single budget, including 0. If you want to try it out, you get 5 listings per month for free. And you get the app and the analytics and everything.
And Photo Room, it removes the background for you in a listing.
We didn't even mention that.
I'm telling you, if you can think of it, Vendoo has it. Seriously, you don't need anything else. It also sends out automatic offers now, and we've been asking for sharing, so fingers crossed on that. I wouldn't put it out of the realm of possibility. And then really you need one single solitary app for all of your reselling business.
Yeah.
Guys.
It definitely looks like it's heading that way.
I have not heard, but I'm just fingers crossed.
Right.
And we request things all the time. There's a chat at the bottom of Vendoo. They're there always.
Yeah, the support
and it's like a real person.
Very responsive.
It's not AI. It's like a real person. They look at your real account, and your listings roll over. You can ask them questions about your plan. You can upgrade your plan at any time, which I love. Like even in the middle of a month, you're like, I need more listings. They'll be like, okay. They're so cool.
Yeah.
You just go in and do what you need to do to run your business. I can't get enough. The guy that works at Vendoo, his name is Ben, and we call him Vendoo. I mean, if you're on the chat, odds are you're talking to Vendoo, and just be like, hey.
Hey, man.
Hey.
Hey.
But they're real people, and they're our friends, and we wouldn't be here without them, honestly.
That's the truth. Truth bomb. All right. We showed him the bulk edit feature. We talked about the other bulk features. Is there anything else that you feel like we need to talk about?
We've made videos on doing a listing, so you can check our channel. We've walked through the actual listing process on Vendoo, and I think that that's pretty helpful. We've also done a video using the phone.
Yes.
The fully functional app.
Yep. I do want to say real quick, there are a couple of features that only work on the computer, and you have to have the tab open. Like the automatic offers is one of those. But everything else on the phone is working great.
Great.
I think that's all we got, right?
Yeah. Ask questions down below.
Ask questions. If there is a specific topic you want us to cover or that was not clear, post it in the comments and we'll get back at you. There
are a lot of you that have been watching us for 4 years and you've never heard us hawk things. We don't do this.
This is the only one.
It's so good. Okay.
All right. We're going to get out of here. Hang around for some cat footage, and then we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. What are you doing? You're a sweet boy, Jeremy. It's sleepy time, huh? All right, let's go find picnic. You sweet girl. You want to say hi to everybody? You know what Jeremy does. All right, stretch it out. Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.